How to fix Expedia Refund not processing. To fix an Expedia refund that is not processing, you must first of all verify your cancellation confirmation email to check if the charge was handled by Expedia or directly by the travel supplier. Because the Expedia acts as an intermediary, refund delays are usually caused by a communication lag between the supplier's backend system and your bank. So to verify the booking component and timeline, launch the application onto your device, then sign into your account. Once you log into your account, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this trips option. From here, you should be able to find your previous booking. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. Now from there, look for the refund option or cancellation option. Now, once the Expedia processes the cancellation, it typically takes 24 to 48 hours for a system to release the funds. Your bank can take an additional 3 to 7 business days to post the credit to your account statement, so you might have to wait for some time. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.